Welcome to this video in which we will be designing the hollow shaft and the bearing. For your reference, I am giving the parameters of this design in the description. So let's begin. So first select file, click on new and open a part file here. Change the background to the plain white. Select top plane and click on sketch and make a circle at this origin. Now let's define the parameter. Let's define the diameter of this circle as 20 millimeter. And now make again a circle here at this origin and define the diameter of this circle as 15 millimeter. Now let's go to features. Select this extruded boss base and extrude this up to 50 millimeter. Now apply some material to this hollow shaft. In metal I am going to apply this aluminum. And now save this part as shaft, rename as shaft, and then close this window. And now open a new window, click on file, click on new, select assembly this time and then click OK. And this automatic window will be open. Select the shaft that we have saved and import it here. Change this z-axis. Okay, now change the background to the plain white. And now let's apply some color because this is too much bright. I'm applying this brown color. Okay, so now it's time to import bearing. So go to design library. If you do not have this toolbox option, then drop down this menu, click on adds in and just select this SolidWorks toolbox library. Just make sure to check both of these options and then click OK. And now drop down this toolbox menu and in this select ANSI Metric, select ball bearing and import the first one, that is instrumental ball bearing. And here let's define the parameters. So select this one and you can see it has bore of 20 millimeter. I am giving all of these parameters in the description and other very useful helps as well. So make sure to check out the description as well. Okay, here add this cage and here you can see the cage. And now we are done with these parameters. We do not need any bearing, so cross this window. So go to assembly, select this move component and drag it here. And now select this inner bore, select mate, and now select this outer diameter of the shaft, then click OK. And now we can drag this ball bearing like this on this hollow shaft. You can view it in different orientations. And now select this side of the bearing and this side of the hollow shaft. Here you can see, click enter. And now we are left with the motion study, but before that apply some color to this. So select this inner race and apply some color. I am applying this nickel. And now select this cage and apply brass, this one. And apply brass to this cage and the balls. Okay, select this cage and now apply brass to the balls as well. Okay. So now the material has been applied, and now it's time for the motion study. So select this motion study and expand this bar. Select here motion study analysis, drag this to here, and now select this settings option. I am okay with the 25. You can increase this. Select contact, and in contact select these bearing and the hollow shaft. Select motor option and assign it to inner race of the bearing. Now set the speed to 10 rpm here. Click OK, and now select this calculate option, and here you can see the ball bearing is rotating perfectly on this shaft. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.